So today in this video, we are going to make a very yummy juice, and it has some grapes that we are going to use. And we are also going to use some pears and some lemon. And we are also going to use some lavender buds. And lavender is very beneficial for you. It is very antibacterial. It has a lot of benefits, and it's actually edible, but you definitely want to use it in small amounts, and there's different ways to utilize lavender buds. In this recipe, I'm actually just going to, as I have done right here, I'm just going to crush some with my hand, and I will put some into the drink after I finish juicing it. And it is a lovely complement to this juice. So first we are going to put the soft ingredients first, because I'm using the Nama J2 juicer today on my YouTube video. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos and you are new to this channel, feel free to check out those videos. And if you already have a Nama J2 juicer, then you would definitely benefit from my video where I show you how you can assemble the Nama J2 juicer as well. And if you do not have the Nama J2 juicer, that is okay. That is totally fine. Just remember to follow your manufacturer's instructions for your juicer. So we are going to put the soft ingredients in first, and so I would say the lemon is the softest here. So we are going to put the lemon in, and we are going to put the grapes in next. And then we are going to put the pear in now, because it is the hardest ingredients. And I hope you all are doing well today. And I'm doing well. And now we are going to juice this up with the grapes. That is going to has a lot of water in it, and the pear and the lemon. And I am literally, because I don't mind, because lavender buds are edible, I am literally going to take some of the lavender buds and I am going to put them into the glass. And again, you want to use this a very small amount sparingly. And now we are going to take the grape and the pear and the lemon, and we are going to pour it with the lavender buds. And it's definitely up to you if you want to allow it to sit in your drink, the lavender buds. You most definitely can. But you can enjoy it right away, and I can definitely smell, especially when you grind the lavender buds in your fingers, you can smell it very strong, of course, because the oils are right there, and lavender, it just smells so strong. And it definitely dominates the smell of the grape and the pear and the lemon. Okay, so let's try it now. This is definitely really sweet, because of course, as we know, grapes are really sweet and pears are definitely sweet. And I made sure I didn't put, you shouldn't put too much lemon into this recipe, but to each his own. I mean, when it comes to juicing, you will cultivate what works for you, of course. And this is definitely a lovely recipe. And I am always so grateful to share with you my